first student, first alumni I met this morning was Megha Rani. Where is she? Pradhan sir, can you call Megha and ask her to come here? Shitu, why don't you sit? Neha ma'am, please come here. Okay, take your seat. My dear students, please take seat on this side. Shift to your right. 50. Shift to your right. Just half of them. Shall we begin? Okay. So as some of you, as you were coming to the campus, you expressed a desire that we want to just go down memory lane and we want to just see the classroom, we want to just, can I have, and I think Anima and somebody was there to have the video photograph of our classroom, your faculty, whatever, right? Let me share with you that I will not take you much long time to explain you what all we have done so far, because the list is long. Ever since you all have left Shriram, we have done so many things. The only thing in life, as you all know, which is chit chat and do whatever. I have to just explain you certain changes which has taken place in terms of soft infrastructure. And what is the soft infrastructure which you cannot see unless we share this? So let me share the certain changes which have taken place since 2007. First, I would like to share with you that when the goal is clear, and I always have been telling you, and some of you might even remember, I always keep on telling everybody that if the goal is clear, half of the goal is met. So we have to be very clear about the objective. And the objective is that we have to meet, we have to get together, we have to do some razzmatazz, and we are here for fun, we are here for masti, and we do all that. But before that, one of the roadmaps which we all intelligentsia at Shriram have decided, and new philosophy which has become, is what is written on the bottom of this slide. That is, can you read it for me? Actually, this is something which should be on the top, because since you are all alumni today, and we are going down memory line together, so that's why we have kept nostalgia. But in terms of our practice, in terms of our daily schedule, we keep the bottom line on top of our whatever we do. We believe because there is so much trust deficit. Why do we need to do that? There is so much trust deficit in the society. Character is something which is fast depleting from our society. Values are something which is fast depleting. So we want to restore it, because the aim of the education is to impart values to the society, to create a better society, to create a better living place, to create a better country. Isn't it? Do you all agree? Keep responding. I'm sure your attention is distracted because some of new members are joining. That is all welcome. So, on journey of building professions with character, it is very easy said than done. Isn't it? It's very noble thought that we will be building professions with character. And what is the tougher thought? How do we do it? So, can you imagine a situation we can ever build character of the students without the students' participation? We cannot do it, no? And that is why, and who are the brand ambassadors, tell me? You are all the brand ambassadors of Shriram. That is one of the reasons, apart from get together and Maud Masti and some razzmatazz which we are going to do and we have planned, that we should share the developments at Shriram. And one of the developments is Shriram philosophy, which I will just take you through in 5 minutes. Narendra sir, can you help me to put the Shriram philosophy on the slide? Yet. So you need to be tolerant, because once your horizon expands, when you have got space for somebody to comment adversely about yourself, and even then you take it in the right spirit, then we would say that you are becoming tolerant. Right? Generosity is again one pillar where we believe that we have to be generous in our attitude. Means what? It does not mean necessarily that you have to be generous with your finance and money, you have to open your purses and start distributing money. No, we are not saying that. You have to be generous in your attitude, which means whatever you have, you must share it. For instance, if you have knowledge, some of the students I can see that they are from 2007 batch. If you have already spent 5 years in corporate, you would have accumulated certain knowledge, skill. Impart that, share that knowledge with somebody who does not have that. For example, we are all postgraduate. Can't we think of imparting knowledge, skill? Can't we teach a student who is in 10th, 12th, 8th standard? This is what we mean by being generous and sharing. And that holds true in all sphere of life. This is just an example to quote you. Fourth pillar is simplicity. We want that we need not to be ostentatious. We need to be simple. And what we say that by being simple means that you just have whatever is needed for you. I'm not saying in any way that you need not to be ambitious. Be ambitious. But point is that accumulate for whatever you need, not for the greed. Because there is a very thin line between greed and need. And once Mahatma Gandhi has also said that on this earth there is plenty for everybody as far as their need is concerned. But it is not plenty for everyone when it comes to their greed. If we all become greedy, what will happen? What will happen? Suppose there is a printout which you have to all to take, right? If the need is that one printout can be taken and can be circulated to among all, correct? That's a need, primary, fundamental. But if you all become greedy, in the sense that no, I want my personal printout, everybody start taking printout. Do you know how many trees would be required to take the 40 pages of, to make 40 pages of paper? And you know, just think beyond what you are doing right now. Have a larger picture in your mind. If you waste paper, for instance, again it's an indicative example, it's not exhaustive. If you waste that paper, go beyond your need, then what you are doing, you are harming environment. You are forcing somebody to cut more trees and convert more into papers. And therefore you are imbalancing the whole environment and ecology. 4 minutes? Have you any question on the Shriram philosophy? Because I do not know, I am not able to consider you the like alumni. I still have that same feeling. You are sitting in the classroom and though some of you have spent 5 years in corporates, but still I have the same feeling. When you are my students, and I think for the rest of my life I will have the same feeling that you are my students. Okay? Chalo. May I request you to Narendra sir to just run the nostalgia slide. And like 2 models, that is FTGS, that is faith, tolerance, simplicity and generosity. I have also explained that we adopt the VRD approach, that is value, rigor and differentiation. And Narendra sir, next slide please. It's okay. Are you able to see it? Yes. Loud yes. Yes. I know you are hungry for lunch, but you have to hold on for next 20 minutes. Okay? The morning circle, we have conceived this concept that all the students, they meet at a reception area, just ahead of reception area on the portico. And this is again a student-driven exercise where we all meet in circle and we share our experiences. And we share on views on certain topics. And this is basically meant for develop their confidence, develop the public speaking, develop the sense of respect for others, because when you come in a group, there are 2 ways we behave. One behavior is our individual behavior. When we are alone, the way we behave, and you all know that. How do you behave when you are individual? But your behavior drastically changes when you start behaving in a group. And morning circle is the place where we offer our students, and to buttress our effort to make our students speak good English, improve their communication, we have supplemented their effort by providing everyday newspaper, again which we attempted in your times but it could not happen for some reason. But now you will be more than happy that every day the newspaper is being provided to all Shriram students. Every week we have given them business world so that their knowledge about the outer world and the corporate increases. right? And whatever they read, they are free to share here on this forum, that is Morning Circle. Is that fine? Okay. Evening Circle also at the same time was conceived by 7th February, whereby all the faculty members and the family of Shriram, whether they are teaching or non-teaching, even the students like you, if you come around that time, visitors, all stakeholders, they all come in the Evening Circle and share the experience, and most important that, we share our most dominant emotion during the day and how have we handled that. Is there any better way? Because we all go through our everyday. Someday our bosses snubbs us, we feel very bad. We think of sometimes even quitting the job and come, what the nonsense I'm doing. But then again, once we sleep for overnight, we are refreshed again. Shriram philosophy is meant for everybody we are associated with. What we call as the stakeholders. And first the stakeholder in any academic institution, and for us in particular, is our students. You are the most important stakeholder in our campus. Second is, it also applies for our staff, faculty, for vendors, for suppliers, for associates, any firm we are associated with, we are just following this principle. So much so that we have interviewed a marketing faculty last week from Bangalore. We have had 3 rounds of discussion with him, but only the management team has thought whether he is aligned with our philosophy or not. We have to ensure that. Whether the teaching, apart from your domain knowledge, are you passionate about teaching or not? If you are passionate about teaching, you are more than welcome. Otherwise, whether you are Bangalore or Ahmedabad, after some time if you get an offer, better offer, and you focus only on money and salary, then you will go away in the corporate. We do not want such a recruitments. We always think long term, and we have very clearly said if you are passionate, you are more than welcome. And we are trying to find out there are certain mechanism system. What I am trying to tell you, it is important to fall into the philosophy. And now, after today, you are also the part of Shriram Group. You will be taking and practicing that philosophy in the society, in the corporate. Reflect that's the process of lifetime placement assistance. Because the placement has become too common. Again, remember the pillar of differentiation. And I am very happy that you all are here. And lifetime placement means that anyway we have got a placement cell which we are developing, and I will share with you that now we have started 1 year experience, 2 year experience, 3 year and 5 year. If you all share your resume and where you are working and what you are doing and what are your hopes and aspirations for the future, possibly we can do that as well. Are you with me? Would you like to share your CV and your hope and aspirations? Not necessarily with me, you can always, you just have my email ID, you have the email IDs of your faculty members. Start shooting the mail and CV plus your hope and aspiration. Whether your hope and aspiration lies in finance, marketing, what is it that you want to do, but because after doing certain things, you then realize that this is not my cup of tea, I should have done something else, please do share. And by helping you, our alumni, by having, and can I make this lifetime placement assistance program successful without your cooperation? Is it possible? And that's why, and is it possible for you to send your CV or aspiration or hope or plan for future without getting connected with Shriram or Institute? No. So let us all be connected for this perspective as well. I will leave it to alumni zone, you get to know more about this, because I have to cover a number of things, whatever we have done. That is psychopath profiling. I will just like to share that in admission process, again, the pillar of differentiation. But make sure that we send a copy of that to all of our students, right? Next. Creation of Industry Advisory Board. What we have done, that this is a very clear-cut criterion that above general manager level, maybe it's CEO or MD level, we have created this Industry Advisory Board. We have already identified more than 55 such CEOs and MDs. And we are in process of creating a board, and we will try to allocate our students be in finance area or marketing area or HR area or whatever area, to handhold our students, give them the industry perspective and try to shape their career, advise them suitably. Then we have International Alliance with Harrison College USA for the Global Leadership Program. Soon we are going to launch, maybe end of June or so, with Harrison College. It's again online program. We are developing some contact classes and it could be converted another course for, because the vision is that we want to make your college a place of excellence for leadership, a place of excellence in the area of entrepreneurship. And therefore it can be achieved with a lot of collaboration, alliances and things like that, right? Yes, they are also reading the books and writing book reviews, and these are all available, these book reviews and whatever we are talking, the activity on the evening and on all social media like Pagal Guy, Facebook and LinkedIn and whatever. I will explain you that later. The newsletter Drishtikon has been started, I think, on 23rd of December 2012. And we have decided that Drishtikon newsletter will be published quarterly. And ever since that, we are already, the newsletter, just go to before first slide. The newsletter that we have named as Drishtikon. And if you want to see the latest Drishtikon, it is available on the Pagal Guy. If you just go to our website, you will see the icon of Pagal Guy. If you click it, straight away you will land up, because this has been posted just couple of days back, I mean in last week sometime. Yeah. Now let us move next. If you look into social media, because that is the challenge, you know, there are a lot of things we look forward to each other. How do we get connected? We all know that we are connected with the social media like Facebook. I just checked this number of connects with the Narendra sir in the morning, because I wanted to give you the specific numbers. There are 2 accounts in the Facebook. So far we have 1068 connects, as you see that. The other way of connecting, LinkedIn, Pagal Guy, even our respected advisor sir, he himself has started writing blogs. And you know, if you look into our website, if you just go to our website, that is one of the most dynamic website any college would ever have imagined. Every day some posting is coming. Even if you start contributing as an alumni, we will create an alumni zone for your contribution. As we have created Rainbow for the student participation, Yes Forum, that is your experience sharing forum. So every day you get up in the morning, your website for sure would have some addition or other. Now the faculties are contributing, even our existing students, they are contributing so well. And I can share you a very good news about your college is that we have started and making an attempt towards measuring their learning outcome, that what they have been when they entered, because that will not be possible if we believe in individual development program, that may not be possible. Challenge is, how do we measure the learning outcome? Learning outcome, one of the simplest way, and still it's indicative, not exhaustive in nature, that we keep on sending, still we are continuing with average 1 industrial visit per month. So they go back and they go and come back, they have to write a report. And you won't believe that report is meticulously checked, and we take them through the improvement which is required in their report. How do you write? How do you structure your English? How do you write? How do you capture? What is the thought process? What is the structure? What is the grammar? What is the mistake? Where have you not done it? Even the content. So that hand-holding approach is also going on. So blogs are there, Shiksha.com we are already there, and likewise, again, these are some indicative other social medias as well, existing in MBA or PGDM as of now. Anything else, sir? I think this is what I have to communicate. One thing I would just request all of you before we break for lunch, you know, because immediately after lunch it will be all alumni zone, and now you all have to speak. Your experiences, your sharing, how you have carried out your experiences for last 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 1 year, you know. And I would suggest and request one more thing. Since our alumni, you are very precious to our institute, right? Precious means that you all can contribute. If you just think of the pillar of generosity, I would urge upon all of you to do only two things. One, stay in touch with us, and B, you can also play, if you choose to play, role of buddy mentees. And the concept of buddy mentees is very simple, that you also can, apart from the faculty mentors and the industry mentor, you can also do the hand-holding of our existing MBA and PGDM students. Just do with one student. Share your experience and knowledge, so that they will not go wrong wherever you have already gone wrong. Do you all want you to commit the same mistake and then learn? So will you become their buddy mentees, and it is very, very informally you can do it. But I will stand. How many of you would like to do it? All the hands raised? Just hold on. Keep your hand raised, because I want to take it snapped. Because once you go away, you cannot just take your hands down. So that's why I am holding on. Thank you very much. I am sure that most of you, that they reflect those values which we are talking at Shriram. None of you, I can see everybody. None of you are here in this room who does not believe in faith, who does not believe in tolerance, who does not believe in simplicity, who does not believe in generosity. Degrees can differ. You know, somebody else might having the higher degree than somebody else. But point is, please understand, we are not competing with each other. Instead of competing with each other, we need to collaborate with each other. We have to identify the strengths and weaknesses of each other, and we have to supplement